Flapjack, how old are you?
Hey, like, for you to know.
Yeah.
9?
9?
Hey, I freaking knew about this game. Survived to level
9?
13. Hey, I survived to level 16 with all the doors open. No glitches.
You do realize this is a rated M for mature game?
Yeah, I'm playing some mature games. My dad always lets me.
Your dad needs to be shot.
Why?
Hey, Flapjack, do you know what a vagina is?
What?
Do you know what a vagina is?
Yes, it's where a woman thinks she has a penis.
What?
It's where a woman thinks she has a penis.
What?
Hey, my dad taught me that.
Your dad is weird, man.
My dad teaches
What?
me everything I hear.
Do you know what a dodo is?
What?
You know what a dodo is?
Now I don't know what that means. I'll go ask my dad. Go ask my dad for the advice.
Yeah, go ask your dad.
No.
You know what an orgasm is?
Orgasm? I know what testicles are. What is orgasm?
Yeah, because they're fucking right under your dick.
One shot with a ray gun, killing a zombie. Too easy.
Wow. I remember when I was 9. Oh wait, no I don't. Do you know what a, Matt, what are some other dirty words we can think of? Oh yeah, do you know what a three-way is?
What?
Do you know what a three-way is?
I forgot. I forget stuff.
How do you forget what a three-way is?
It's for cars.
It's when your dad and a mom and one of your dad's friends all have sex with each other. Yeah, or it can be called double teaming. Yeah, you know what a 69 is?
69. I'm talking about all these words. Excuse me now. Excuse me now.
Wait, do you know how sex works?
Stop saying words. You're confusing me.
It's when a man sticks his penis in a woman's vagina. If he doesn't wear a condom, then he will get her pregnant and you will be born again.
Hey.
You do realize that's how you were born, right?
No.
Your dad plowed your mom.
You're confusing me now.
How is it confusing? Your dad puts his penis inside your mom and pumps it up and down until he squirts in her.
Just stop saying disgusting words.
Maybe disgusting for you, because you don't have a penis yet. Oh wait, I forgot. Matt, his balls haven't even dropped yet.
Hey, I don't even have them. I don't really have a mom. I don't really have a mom.
So your dad just went around fucking random dirty hookers?
Well, my mom and my dad are divorced, so really, I don't have a mom. I only have a dad.
Oh. So who does your daddy boink? Your daddy has to get his action from somewhere.
Never say that. Never do. Never will.
Hey, do you know what porn is?
What?
Do you know what porn is? P-O-R-N.
Yes?
Do you ever watch it, you dirty boy?
No. Never watch it, but I heard the word. That's
Have you ever
totally
seen
what
it?
it means. It's a thing that men watch. Lonely men. Only the lonely men without wives watch it.
Does your daddy sometimes go out late at night and doesn't return till the next morning?
I like fire.
What?
My dad told me if I play with fire, I'll get a new car when I grow up.
Your daddy also told you he had an orgasm inside your mom. Hey, Nail and you, are you taking notes here? I know you're playing. I can see you. I know you're there, Nail and you. Hey. Yeah, I see you there. Were you taking notes, Nail and you? Are you kidding me?
Upstairs.
You're 9 and your daddy gets you play? You know what a hooker is?
Yes.
You know what a prostitute is?
No.
A prostitute is a woman you pay so you can put your dick in her. Did you know that? You know what going anal is? Fuck. Hey, nail on you. Hey, nailing you. He has to know what I'm talking about. What's a name like nailing you? That means he has a vague understanding of sex. Hey, Flapjack. Hey, Flapjack. Have you ever heard of meat spin?
What?
Meat spin. Have you ever heard of it?
No. No.
Okay. Have you ever heard of a transvestite?
Well, I heard that word.
Okay, a transvestite is a woman who has a penis.
Whoa.
Meat spin is when a guy shoves his dick up a tranny's ass and spins around in a circle.
Really?
Yeah, look it up on Google. Everything I've been saying, look it on Google.
This is kind of makes me a little nauseous when you say all these words.
You should have this talk with your father, son. Yeah, do you know what a lesbian is?
A lesbian?
Yeah.
A gay woman.
I know. Since they don't have anyone else who has a dick with them, they use what you call a strap-on.
A freak.
They strap on this belt that has a dodo on it.
Okay,
So, Flapjack, I'm glad that I taught you a couple of things about life, and I hope this will stay for you forever.
I hope not.